In today's video, I'm going to teach you ChatGPT marketing tutorial and marketing prompts for beginners 2026. If you're just getting started with marketing, this will show you how to use ChatGPT to plan, write, and refine your content quickly and confidently. First, what is ChatGPT for marketing? Think of it as your brainstorming partner and writing assistant. It helps you generate ideas, shape campaigns, and draft the materials you need, from social media posts to ads and email copy. It's especially helpful if you're new to marketing because it speeds up planning and writing while giving you a structure to work with. Whether you run a small business, create content, or freelance, you can use it to save time and stay consistent. To get started as a beginner, begin by defining your marketing goal before you write any prompt. Are you trying to get more followers, increase website traffic, or promote a new offer? Say that clearly. Next, be specific about your product, your audience, and the platform you plan to use. Details like who you serve, what problem you solve, and where you'll publish help ChatGPT tailor its suggestions. Ask for step-by-step marketing plans so you know exactly what to do first, second, and third. Then use follow-up prompts to improve the results. Ask for rewrites, different tones, or alternate angles. Finally, test different prompt styles to find what works best for you. Sometimes shorter prompts spark ideas. Other times, more context produces stronger drafts. Here are beginner-friendly prompts you can paste directly into ChatGPT to kick things off. Create a beginner marketing plan for a small business. Write a social media content calendar for 30 days. Generate marketing ideas for a new product launch. Suggest low-cost marketing strategies for beginners. Create a target audience profile for my business. Use your specifics and follow-ups so the plan matches your niche and resources. For content and social media, try. Write Instagram captions for a business type. Generate TikTok marketing ideas for beginners. Create engaging Facebook post ideas for my audience. Write a short promotional script for social media. Suggest viral content ideas related to industry. Replace the brackets with your details and ask for multiple variations to compare. For advertising and growth, use write a Facebook ad for my product. Generate email marketing copy for a promotion. Create a call to action that improves conversions. Suggest ways to attract more website visitors. Write a beginner-friendly sales funnel for my business. Keep refining with follow-ups until the copy sounds natural, clear, and aligned with your goal. That's your starting toolkit. Define your goal, get specific, ask for steps, iterate, and test. You'll move faster and market smarter with ChatGPT.